And the Election Commission has issued a notice to the Madhya Pradesh Industries Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya after the minister was caught on tape distributing money during a function in his constituency. His action is a clear violation of the Model Code of Conduct, and the EC has now demanded an explanation for the act. But the BJP has defended its minister, saying that he was not trying to buy votes and was only following a religious tradition.
He openly flouted the rules of the Election Commission in poll-bound Madhya Pradesh. But if that wasn't enough, this BJP MP, Kailash Vijayvargiya, continues to remain unrepentant.
ऐसा दोहरा मापदंड नहीं होना चाहिए। हम चुनाव आयोग से ये चाहते हैं कि वो निष्पक्षता से काम करे। ये देखिए, चुनाव तो हमने बहुत सारे लड़े हैं, पर फंडामेंटल राइट्स होता है जो, उसका हनन नहीं होना चाहिए। यदि प्रधानमंत्री रावण जलाने जाते हैं तो प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री भी रावण जलाने जा सकते हैं। तो थोड़ा सा चुनाव आयोग को चाहिए कि राजनीतिक दलों के साथ बैठकर और आचार संहिता की स्पष्टता करें।
And now, Madhya Pradesh Minister Kailash Vijayvargiya has finally been indicted by the same rules he had such brazen disregard for.
Election Commission has asked Kailash Vijayvargiya to explain 3 points: why he paid money to drummers and why he promised to build an Udyog Bhavan in Vijayanagar, both of which are violations of the Model Code of Conduct. And last but not the least, why he chose to criticize the Model Code as well as the Election Commission despite holding a high constitutional office. The EC is given time to Vijayvargiya until 5 in the evening on Friday, failing which the EC will proceed with action against him.
The Election Commission finally cracking the whip on the minister who openly distributed money at an event, setting a deadline for Friday to explain his actions. But his actions have triggered a massive political fight, with the Congress demanding a probe into the incident.
मस्त हाथी हो चुका है कैलाश विजयवर्गीय, तो इसलिए ये सब तो करेगा ही। उसको ना चीफ मिनिस्टर का डर है, ना बीजेपी का डर है, ना इलेक्शन कमीशन का डर है। इतना पैसा कमा लिया है, इतना पैसा कमा लिया है कि वो किसी से नहीं डरता।
If there is anybody who is caught or allegedly caught distributing money, especially when the Model Code of Conduct is kicked in, it's an extremely serious violation, and that violation is something which the Election Commission needs to take cognizance of.
But even as the Congress stepped up its attack, the BJP continued to shield its leader.
वो चुनाव आयोग के सामने मामला है। ये जब धार्मिक महोत्सव का, धार्मिक त्योहारों के दिन है, और धार्मिक त्योहारों में कुछ परंपराओं के साथ जो करते हैं, हर चीज को चुनाव के नजरिए से देखना नहीं चाहिए।
He openly disregarded the EC rules. And now, with the Election Commission pulling up Kailash Vijayvargiya, will the BJP MP be able to explain his stand? Or will Kailash Vijayvargiya face further action? Bureau Report, Times Now.